So the next objective is level of significance. The level of significance is your maximum allowable probability of making type 1 error. Keep in mind, what is type 1 error? Type 1 error is when H naught is true, but you reject it, right? That is your type 1 error. And it's denoted by alpha, the Greek letter alpha. By setting the level of significance at a small value, you are saying that you want the probability of rejecting a null hypothesis to be small. We'll look into various examples of these that makes much more sense. Commonly used level of significance are alpha is 10, alpha is 0.05, and alpha is 0.01. So alpha is 10, that means you have 10% chance of making an error. That means you're 90% confident. When alpha is 5% or 0.05, your confidence level is 95% confident. When alpha is 0.01, that is 1%, your level of confidence is 99%. So that's how the level of confidence and the type 1 error work. The type 2 error is denoted by the Greek letter beta. Now for the p-values. This is a very important. What does it mean by p-value? P-value is the probability if the null hypothesis is true. Remember, you're taking a sample, you're obtaining a sample statistic with values, and then you're performing your math, and then you're talking about your population. So p-value is the probability if the null hypothesis is true. So let's go ahead and watch this video and then come back and see what it means.